Ever wondered why you can't seem to find that elusive Koho email? You're not alone. It's like searching for a needle in a digital haystack. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Koho emails, uncovering those hidden corners where they might be lurking. So, what exactly is the deal with Koho emails? Well, unlike your regular, everyday emails, Koho ones have a habit of playing hide-and-seek. They can be notoriously tricky to locate, often slipping through the cracks of your inbox like a seasoned escape artist. But fear not, there are ways to track them down, and that's exactly what we're going to show you today. First things first, let's talk about why you might be having trouble finding your Koho emails. It could be a number of things. Maybe you accidentally deleted them, or they've been filtered into a spam or promotions folder. Perhaps you used a different email address when signing up for Koho, or maybe, just maybe, you're looking in the wrong place entirely. To help you narrow down the possibilities, let's start with the basics. Check your inbox, your spam folder, and your promotions folder. If you still can't find anything, it's time to dig a little deeper. Try searching for specific keywords related to Koho, like Koho, account, or verification. You might also want to check your email provider's settings to see if there are any filters or rules that could be hiding your Koho emails. If you're still coming up empty-handed, it's possible that you used a different email address when you signed up for Koho. This can happen more often than you think, especially if you have multiple email accounts. To check which email address is linked to your Koho account, you can usually find this information in your account settings. Now, let's talk about what to do if you've tried everything and still can't find your Koho email. The good news is that you're not completely out of luck. In many cases, you can recover your account or request a new verification email. To do this, you will usually need to provide some personal information, such as your name, phone number, and the last 4 digits of your credit card. But wait, there's more. To prevent this frustrating situation from happening again, there are a few things you can do. First, make sure you're using a reliable email provider with a good spam filter. Second, create a dedicated email address for online services like Koho to help keep things organized. And finally, check your email regularly and clear out any unnecessary messages to avoid clutter. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to accessing your Koho email. Remember, finding that elusive email might take a little patience and detective work, but with the right steps, you'll be well on your way to unlocking the mysteries of your Koho account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.